So last time we finished our primary colors. Today we need to add our secondary colors. So our secondary colors are violet, orange, and green. So what we're going to do, you've got this little tray here with the little cups of colors. Today, instead of just using it as a tray to hold your paint, you're going to use it as your mixing palette. So I'm going to start by creating violet. So in between blue and red is violet, so you're going to need a little bit of blue. So get that out there, put it on the tray. Now I need to mix blue with red to create violet. But I can't just stick my brush back in the red paint because there's blue paint all over it. So what I'm going to need to do is put my brush in the water, stir it around, make sure you get all of the blue paint out of the brush. Then you might need to dry it off just for an extra precaution. So dry it off on the little towel there. Now I can open my red paint. Hopefully you've got enough in there. If you don't, we'll just get you some more. It's okay. So put that red paint out there next to it. And you're just going to mix those two together. I didn't need to get my brush wet because I was already going to mix it anyways. So I've got my violet paint. If it seems too dark, you can go back and add more red. So I'm going to paint violet on my color wheel first, being very careful that I don't mix it on top of my yellow. Oops, I made a little mistake. My violet looks kind of dark, so I might go back here in a minute and add some more red to it. And then make sure you work on your violet that goes on the edge, because violet is the complementary color of what? Yellow. Yellow. Very good, you guys. How do I know how to find complementary colors? Where are complementary colors located on the color wheel? Are they next to each other? No, they're not next to each other. Oh, you're right. They're across from each other. Good job, guys. Just finish that up. So if that's how you make violet, how do you make orange? How do you make orange? Between red and yellow. Very good. So what I just did there on the tray for violet, then you're going to go back, wash your brush out, and do the same thing. So you'll just get a little bit of red on the tray. Do you guys think at the end of class, are we going to have to wash these trays off? Yes. Yes, you're going to have to do your best job to wash the trays off, so that way they're good to go for the next class. Okay, so here we go, mix up with yellow, and then you're ready to paint. So when we finish this, we might be turning these into a turkey or another project.